Hey lovely girls, hope you're all doing great. Today we're doing a quick but super glam makeup look that's perfect for a party. First, we start with foundation and concealer. I've already used them a bit, so this video isn't too long for your watch. We'll start by using a bronzer all over the lid area. Next, for the shadow. If you've got jelly eyeliners, this look becomes a lot easier. But if you don't, like me, you can use black eyeliner pencil and black eyeshadow. I'll use the black shadow as eyeliner. Don't worry about it smudging. At the end, you can clean up any mess with concealer. Gently blend the black shadow and line the inner eye with black pencil. Then smudge the black pencil all along the lower lash line. Do the same thing for the other eye. After you smudge the lower lash line, blend the outer edge with the same bronzer to soften the black line under the eye. Extend the wing from under the eye or lower lash line up to the main eyeliner. Curl lashes and apply mascara. I'll apply bronzer to the cheeks. Soft pink blush, very light. And I mixed a blush palette with a brownish tone and a touch of pink. Okay, that's the makeup look. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, like, and drop a comment, would mean a lot. See you in the next video for now.